These people never come on my videos where I'm well put together, my hair is laid, makeup is done, okay, nobody can say shit to me. They never come on those videos and talk shit. They always come on my videos where I'm keeping it real, being myself, my vlog videos where I'm comfortable out, just having my natural hair out and being me. So I've never done watercolor a day in my life, and I'm gonna try doing a like orangey ginger color. So I have ginger, French cognac, and I got cinnamon, and all from Adore. I'm gonna try. I'm actually watching Babe. I use some Andy ointment. They say Vaseline, but this is what I have on hand. So this is how it looks with the ointment on it. I also sprayed it after I put the ointment with some Got To Be Free spray, just to seal it in, making sure I didn't miss any spots. So I did a whole face mask. My skin is feeling a bit dry because I've been putting benzoyl peroxide and retinol on it. Benzoyl peroxide in the morning and then retinol at night. I've actually started a new skincare regime and it's been working, so I'm gonna stick to it. I've got a few pimples because I've been eating horribly, drinking soda. I don't normally drink soda, and eating cake and fast food and all that. So I started to show on my skin. Happy, mama. See, I took 14 steps yesterday. Bye. Come here, try to dye that hair here. No, I'm dying weave, babe. So all I did was use half a bottle of the dyes that you guys saw me show before and hot water. I did the whole watercolor method for the first time and it didn't stain my lace, but I still got a little bit of stain on my lace. And I will tell you this, the wig that I bought had a whole bunch of filler here and I don't recommend that wig, so I won't even tell you where I got it from. But that's what I get for not researching where I bought the hair from. But I was in a hurry and I needed a blonde wig real quick and I just bought this one. So I'll have to do, I will say the color came out really amazing and I like it, but this is my birthday hair. So you'll have to stay tuned to see the installation video part. So, and also I made a mess when I was coloring this video. How do you guys do this without making a mess? Tell me what you guys use to take out all this dye out your countertops and sink and stuff. So I got some stuff from Shein. I'm actually gonna do a separate video. I got jewelry and accessories and stuff, and I also got one pair of shoes from Shein, and I'm gonna do a separate haul. Just say that. I just wanted to show you guys some of what I got, and you'll see it in a haul. It's my birthday month, so I kind of OD with the stuff that I bought, but that's neither here nor there. Driving the Benz because the Benz will be mine soon and Dave is freaking the hell out, okay? anything about this car, okay? Anything. So the deal is, if I get into clinicals, the Benz is mine, and babe is gonna upgrade to a newer vehicle. So I applied for 2 different clinical programs at this point, and your girl is about to get her AA degree and call it a day. I have 2 more classes I gotta take, and I'm gonna be done. Well, 1 class is to get my AA, and I'll get my AA at the end of August, and then I will go into my bachelor's program for nursing. So that's out of the way. A lot of people, I feel I always have a lot of stuff to say about me and how I look, especially on my vlogs, but you guys don't know my life. You guys see literally, there goes Milani, you guys literally see about 20 minutes of my day. Not even that. Sometimes you get 5 minutes of different days. What is it, mama? Are you okay? Papa, give her her pacifier, please. Pacifier. Yes, give her her pacifier. You guys probably see like 5 to 10 minutes of my day throughout the week. And I've been working really hard to get my degrees, get into clinicals, and ever since Milani came back from Jamaica, she has regressed in her sleeping. So she was sleeping throughout the night from she was 3 months old. Since we came back from Jamaica in March, she has not slept through the night 1 night at all. So I have not been getting any sleep. Plus I have to get up and study for my entrance exam, my TEAS test. I had to finals to do. I was stressed the hell out. My skin was breaking out. I was stressed out to the core. Also, my grandfather died. That's another thing, and I feel like I haven't had time to process that either because I've just been going. And people always seem to have a lot to say about how I look or how I wear my hair or something. Like, these people are fucking crazy. When I say crazy, I mean crazy. Okay? My husband have been with me since I weighed like 125. Okay? Now I weigh 190, and his outlook on how I look has not changed. He prefers me now because I'm a little bit more thick than how I was before. He's been with me when I was so tiny that people thought I was sick. People thought I was anorexic or something. Like, you guys blow my mind, the stuff that you guys come up with. Person said I am the way I am because that's how I'm this big now, because that's how my husband likes it. My husband have nothing to do with my weight. I am an individual, okay? Whether we're together or not, or in a relationship or not, married or not, you are your own individual, and you're responsible for your weight, your looks, whatever the hell it has to do with you as an individual. People seem to get it twisted that when you're in a marriage or when you're in a relationship that your significant other is responsible for you. No, you're responsible for your damn self. And it's crazy to me that people think that I should just lose all the weight. I just had a baby a year ago. Lose all the weight at the snap of a hat. I'm not Beyonce. I am not Kelly Rowland. I am not Erica Mena. Okay? I'm not going to go through no surgery 3 to 6 months after I have a baby because y'all want me to look a certain way. This is reality. I find that a lot of you guys are living in dream freaking land. And when you do social media, I feel like, especially in this diaspora entertainment field, these people feel like if you don't have a perm here or you're not in a lace front wig 24/7, then you're not put together, then you look busted, then you look crusty or whatever. Let me tell you something. I'm worried about my degrees, how I'm gonna be making money, worrying about my kids' future, and making sure my kids are fine. When you guys see me, it's because I want you to see me, okay? I can put up appearances, I can fake it, I can do my makeup every single time I come on camera and pretend I'm something that I'm not, but will I do it? No, I won't do it, because that is not me, that's not who I am, and I don't want to give other people fake expectations of how you're supposed to be, especially as a mom, and a mom that's grinding for her future and for her kids. You're not gonna get that from me. And the funny thing is, these people never come on my videos where I'm well put together, my hair is laid, makeup is done, okay, nobody can say shit to me. They never come on those videos and talk shit. They always come on my videos where I'm keeping it real, being myself, my vlog videos where I'm comfortable out, just having my natural hair out and being me. That's when they come to talk shit. Why don't you come on my fashion videos? Why don't you come on my makeup videos? Why don't you come on my hair videos and talk all this bullshit? Because you guys know that you can't talk that shit on those videos. The 15 to 20 minutes of my life that I give you guys, and I'm being real and show you guys what a real person's supposed to look like, and a real person looks like doing their job and their appearance, you guys want to criticize me? Like, that's crazy as hell. Another thing, as far as my weight is concerned, I don't have any problem with my weight. I actually like my weight, okay? But I feel the only reason I feel like I need to lose some weight is because of my belly. And my belly did not go back down like it did with Kai, because I had 2 kids less than 2 years apart. They're 18 months apart, okay? I went back to back with my kids. So the fact that you guys have issues with how I look and my appearance is crazy to me. You guys are living in la la land, okay? La la land, and that ain't my fault and ain't my problem, and I'm not gonna try and be fake and be something I'm not at all. So who don't like it, and who wanna watch will watch, because I'm not changing shit and I'm not trying to be fake for anybody, because it does me no good, and it does people that look up to me and are inspired by me no good. All they're gonna see is somebody being fake, wearing makeup and a lace front with 24/7s out with their kid in sun hot, because I live in hot Florida, with my makeup melting off my damn face, looking a hot mess. What? Who? Where? Why? When? How? Not doing it. Not doing it at all. There's already enough things on social media for women to feel bad about themselves. They feel bad about their weight, they feel bad about their looks, constantly scrolling on Instagram, Facebook, seeing all these girls with the perfect bodies. And a lot of times I realize that a lot of these women that get their body done is either because they have a kid, or societal issues, societal pressure them into getting work done. And honestly, I'm gonna be real with you. After I had Milani, I think 6 to 8 months after I had Milani, I felt like I started looking up doctors to get liposuction, because I felt like shit, I'm not used to my body looking like this. I'm used to having a flat stomach, a nice curvy body, and then after Milani, my weight just plummeted, okay? My belly wasn't going down. My body was just not looking like how I wanted it to look. And I started really looking into getting surgery done, getting work done. I felt like I was having body fucking dysmorphia, because every time I came on camera, somebody would have some BS to say about my weight. No one that sees me in person never actually says anything about my weight or how I look. But why when I come on social media people feel like it's okay to talk about how I look and my weight? Like, if you guys saw me in real life and you guys said shit about how my weight is, I can guarantee you that I would slap you I would punch you in your goddamn mouth, okay? We would be fighting. I don't know why when people come on social media they feel like they can just say anything or type anything to people that they wouldn't normally say in person. Because if you see me in person and said something about my weight, I would cuss you out and I would not care at all. So why do you think it's okay to do it on social media? No one else have a problem with how I look. I don't have a problem with the exception of my belly. And baby, when I do commit to start working out full time, if my belly don't go down, I can guarantee you surgery. Here I come. Be because of any societal pressures or anything like that. It's gonna be because I want to do it. But otherwise from that, now I don't give a what y'all got to say. Okay, my man isn't complaining. Okay, I'm not complaining. So what is the issue with y'all? You ain't feeding me, you ain't fucking me, you ain't clothing me, okay? So what is the issue really? Because this is not about me. This is about you and you guys' perception of what a woman nowadays is supposed to look like. And I don't subscribe to that shit at all. So you can leave it off my channel. If you only want to see me put together and looking nice and all that okay, go on my fashion videos, go on my makeup videos, go on my commentary videos. My vlog videos are simply not for you at all. It is not for you. Leave me alone, okay? Leave me alone. Or you can go on Instagram. You'll see nice pretty pictures with my hair done, hair laid, lace front laid, okay, makeup beat, clothes, all of that. So let me wrap up this car rant real quick. If you guys don't want to see me in being myself, being a real mom with my hair out in a fro, no makeup on, taking my kids to the park and stuff like that, or me driving around just chilling, talking, do not watch my vlog videos. Watch my commentary videos, my fashion videos, my makeup videos, hair videos. Watch any of those videos, or you go see me on Instagram. I'm always put together, makeup done, hair laid, clothes snatched on Instagram. But my vlogs are not for you. And please don't blame my husband for my weight. Like, people are nuts. They think my husband is responsible for my weight. I'm an individual. I'm responsible for me. And whenever I feel like it's time to get snatched again, darling, I can do that. Or if I want to have surgery and get snatched and come on here and be fake as fuck, I can do that too, okay? But one thing you need to know about me, when it's time to get put together and show the fuck out, I do's that, okay? I do's that. Y'all people must have forgot who the fuck I am. Y'all really forgot. Especially since I have kids and I've been toning it down a little bit. Y'all really be trying to play me on social media. Like, don't let the kids fool you, okay? I'm still that girl, okay? That girl. And that's because my kids are small and I don't trust people with my kids. The only people I would trust with my kids are my mom and my grand aunt that's in Jamaica. And my mom lives in Philadelphia, my grand aunt lives in Jamaica, and outside is not open. But best believe, when all this stuff gets situated and I finish clinicals and all of that, or before that, whichever the case may be, I mean, whatever, whenever I feel comfortable, your girl will be outside and y'all will see a different side of me. But from now, I'm in mom mode, and if you don't like it, don't watch. End of story. Bye. Period. Okay? Period. Oh. And I'm here cussing in front of my son, but my son don't know what a curse word is. So when I get off this damn camera, I need to apologize to my kid because this ain't me.